Hello friends, welcome to English Corner, the complete grammar guide. This video is the continuation of parts of speech. In the last video, we have discussed about noun, pronoun, adjective and verb. So let us continue. Fifth part of speech is adverb. Adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Let us make it clear from examples. He ran fast. Here the word ran is the verb. The adverb fast is giving some modification or something more to the verb ran. We say he ran or he ran fast. Both has some differences in meaning. This is the case in verb. He drank very hot coffee. Here coffee is a noun and hot is adjective. The word very modifies the word hot. Hot coffee and very hot coffee are different. In this example, adverb modifies adjective. Now let us see how an adverb modifies another adverb. He worked too hard. Here, hard is already an adverb, but when we add the word too, modified the word hard. Hard became more hard. Preposition. Preposition is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to show their relation with something else. For example, the cow is in the garden. Here, the preposition in shows the relation of the noun cow with the garden. The book is on the table. In this sentence, the preposition on shows the relation of the noun book with the table. In, on, under, upon, till, etc. are some other examples for preposition. Conjunction. Conjunctions are words used to connect words, phrases, clauses or sentences. Example: pen and ink. Here, pen and ink are two different words and the word and connected them. I am late because I missed the bus. Here, the conjunction because connects two sentences. And, but, so, because, or, etc. are some examples for conjunction. Last one is interjection. An interjection is a word which expresses sudden feelings or emotions. It can be happy, joy, sorrow, surprise, pain, dislike, etc. Examples are: wow, what a beautiful car. Oh, I forgot my wallet. So that's all about parts of speech. Hope you guys understood the points. These two videos are only an introduction of parts of speech. In the coming days, we will be studying about each one in detail. So see you guys with another video. Take care. Bye.